balloons.
We have these amazing shape balloons.
And then I got these from...
And some Sonic plushes.
Yeah, this is just from Amazon and from the mall.
Yeah. Alright, so it comes with the balloons. It comes with the sticks. And also the...
These sticks? Fire.
Yeah, and also the lights that go on there. That's also for the stick. That goes on the stick.
Oh.
Alright, let's see the funny shapes of these balloons. So these are Bobo balloons?
Bobo balloons, yeah. Okay, let's see the first one. Oops. Everything is dropping. We have some batteries. We need batteries.
And you can see the
Here's
shapes.
this one.
Look at this one. That one is like a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Alright, so here you can see the unicorn shape.
Fire.
And so you fill up with air in here, and then you tie this and twist this up. But there's no way that these would float with helium, so don't even bother wasting your helium. So let's get started. Oh! It popped!
What are we gonna do?
It instantly popped, guys.
Wow!
What the heck? You can see right here it ripped. Man.
Tape it.
It didn't even inflate at all. Oh no. We can try to tape it. Alright, so instead of taping it, what we're going to do is we're going to straight iron it. So you can see here's the tear. I'm going to melt it around there and see if it holds. Alright, so I melted it all the way around. Look at this hair straightener, looks bad. Let me unplug it so I can peel it off. And then here is where we tried to glue it. So let's try to see if this works.
Not how small it is.
Alright guys, so this is, you can see here that it is holding a little bit. So let me try to inflate it manually because I don't want this to pop. It's gonna work. Alright guys, so we have broken seals. So this is not gonna work, but this is basically what the unicorn looked like. It's such a shame that this one popped. So I don't know if we should avoid using the pump or not. I don't even know if it mattered. What happened is I noticed that they sent me used balloons, and I did not mean to order used ones. So let's try it again. All right guys, so we did this one manually. We did not use the pump. This is the Christmas tree. And you can see there's condensation from us blowing them up. But let me tie this off, and then we can put it on the stick so you can see what that looks like.
How are we?
All right. So we do have one balloon so far.
Yeah, but the unicorn one is done.
I know. That's so sad. I really wanted this one to work. All right, let's blow up the hearts and the stars, and then we'll put the lights on. All right, so here is the heart balloon.
The heart balloon? It's bigger than the Christmas.
Yeah, let me tie it up. All right, guys, so we have turned the little lights on, so we're going to unravel them and put them around the balloon.
Oh, we have to put these.
You can see here the star balloon is a little pointy and fat. So, and we're also going to assemble these things to put the balloons on the stand. You just tie the balloon bottom to this thing, and then you add the stick, and then you have a balloon on a stick. Alright, so far this is what we have. We have the star balloon done. My goodness, it took forever because the little holes on the edges were not popped out, so I had to manually pop each one out, and it was challenging. But yeah, how cute, don't you think?
It's so cute.
Alright, we'll show the rest right now. Alright, Aaron wanted to inflate this green Bobo balloon since we accidentally popped the unicorn. Alright, so we came in the closet so we can show you how these are all lit up. Back up a little bit, Aaron. Alright, so beautiful. So we'll show you each one at a time. All right, so first up is the blue one. It back up so we can see it better.
It was an extra, right?
Yeah, so this is the one we replaced the unicorn with, so you could see it is pretty cool. Looks awesome. All right, so this one is the heart one. So cute.
Yahoo!
All right, so this is the one that looks like a Christmas tree. How cute.
Is it just like a tree?
Yeah, it's like a Christmas tree. Spin it around. Very cute. All right, here is the star one.
Yeah.
Hold it up, Aaron.
Cool.
Raise it up. There it is. So
it's
cool.
The king of all.
So let us know which one of these is your favorite. Thank you guys.
I like the blue one.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. And bye.